Hello friends, welcome back to Gadgets, Gizmos and Beyond. As you can see, I ordered this device from Apple Store. As you can see, I just got it delivered yesterday. And this is, we're going to unpack this and see what it contains. As you can see, the price is 59,000 rupees. 256 gig of memory, and you also have 16 GB of RAM. Wow, let's see what other things are there. So you have a cable inside this. So you can see there's a cable inside this. Wow, this has all the ports you can see here. This side is completely blank. This side has two USB-C ports. You have the 3.5mm jack also. And this is the Apple logo that makes it so amazing. Just look at this. So that's pretty much it. It's a quick unboxing of Mac Mini coming from Apple. So I hope you like this video. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.